I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the prerequisites in place. Install a supported JDK, then grab Android Studio or the command line SDK tools. Once done, create an Android Home variable pointing to the SDK folder, and make sure you add SDK/tools and SDK/platform tools to your path so a DB and SDK manager run from the terminal. This first action lets installers and build tools find the SDK. It prevents permission and version mismatches later when you fetch platforms and images. Next, use SDK Manager to install the core components you will actually build against. Pick the API levels required by your project, then install platform tools, build tools, and the emulator. Make sure to download an x86 or x86-64 system image for faster emulation on Intel or AMD hardware. Also accept licenses via SDK Manager licenses if prompted. Without accepting those, you cannot complete installs. These middle steps ensure your toolchain, compilers, and virtual devices match the apps. Finally, create an Android virtual device in AVD Manager that matches your target API and system image, then start it and deploy a sample app to confirm the setup. If the emulator is slow, enable hardware virtualization in BIOS and install Haxum or use Hypervisor. Framework on Mac. Make sure a DB devices shows your emulator or device. If not, restart a DB with a DB kill server and a DB start server. If anything breaks, try wiping the AVD, reinstalling specific build tools, and rechecking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.